Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by Emerson's Adventures and the Grace Life Home Decor DIY. Their guest today is Denise Glam Style Living. The theme for today is Red Garden. So I have placed my tablescape outside on my fire pit. So come along and let me show you what I have here. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Emerson's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of this tablescape on Tuesday. I will be leaving the ladies' information in my description box, also with Denise Glam Style Living. Make sure you all go over and check out their channels. Okay, so now I'll tell you a little bit about my tablescape for today, the Red Garden. I have a white tablecloth here from the Dollar Tree. The daily quote here is from Goodwill. The flowers you see surrounding the picture are from the Dollar Tree. The roses are from Hobby Lobby, and the flowers here in the picture are from the Dollar Tree. The beautiful picture you see here was my mother's, and the small glasses here match it. I don't use it very often, but it is stunningly beautiful. The candle holders here, I've showed you before. I purchased those at Goodwill. They are also very beautiful. And I think it was like a set of 3 or 4 with the ice bucket. Now let's talk about my place settings. I have used 2 chargers. I've used the gold and the clear, and I placed the clear charger on top of the gold one. The red plate you see here was from Goodwill. The beautiful salad plate you see here was also from Goodwill. My napkin is from Home Goods. The silverware is from Tuesday Morning. The flower on top of the napkin is from the Dollar Tree. This is my red garden. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this Tablescape for Tuesday. And if you're not a part of the design family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and for my garden party, I'm gonna see you in my next video.